Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to open your CLA 250 key fob. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and a fresh CR 2025 battery. It's also wise to have a soft cloth ready to protect your key fob from scratches. Make sure you are working on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid misplacing any tiny parts. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement. Now, let's begin by removing the emergency key. Look for the small, rectangular release button located on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then gently pull the metal emergency key blade straight out. This action is crucial as it reveals the small slot you'll use to pry open the main casing. It's a straightforward first step to accessing the battery compartment. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Now, gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Remember to apply steady, light pressure to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. Take your time with this step. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR 2025 battery. Pay attention to its orientation. The positive side usually faces upwards. Insert your new battery, ensuring it's correctly positioned. Then, align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until you hear a secure click. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob is now ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.